Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip on Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Queen Virgin Remy Hair. So I've never worked with them before, so I was a little nervous when I unboxed this wig, but it turned out amazing. So they sent over these cute little gifts, or that you guys are going to see in the unboxing clip. And this was super easy to install. So this is a new like highlighted type color. It's not the traditional like super blonde highlight. It's like highlight over brown. And to me, it gives it more of a natural effect. So this is glueless, you guys. So as you can see over here, we have some melt action going on. No baby hairs, which lets you know that you can wear this and have it looking super natural without the dramatic baby hair look. I decided to go for like a more classic pinup, like old school type vibe. I feel like this style is coming back in. It's giving sexy, but like innocent, like housewife, you know what I mean? That's why we got the robe on today. I'm giving the girls like, dinner's done, babe. You know what I mean? But I love how natural it came out. The texture of the hair is kind of on the more coarse side, so that made me nervous as well, but it honestly straightened, and as you guys can see, it held a curl. I did bump the ends with just a flat iron. I did not use any glue to install this wig. We love a good glueless unit. I feel like the glue does do wear and tear to your hair, your edges, as well as your skin. So I still use glue occasionally, but I'm trying to stick to the more glueless side of things just to kind of protect my real hair under here. But I did not pluck the part that is natural parting. I bleached the knots, but they were already bleached. I did not have to bleach them. It was pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So I did not pluck that. That's no makeup, no nothing. That is the lace just coming to you raw. So thank you again, Queen Virgin Remy, for sending this unit over. It is super cute. I'm actually about to film a video cooking dinner, so this was perfect. Something cute and natural. Not too much, not too difficult. I want this to be like a beginner friendly series on my channel. Whenever I do the wigs, I don't want them to be something that the average person feels like that they can't achieve. So yeah, you guys will see the installation in the next clip. Super simple, super easy. And like I said, this is glueless. So if I want to take this off, I can. I did do some hairspray just because I am about to film, but if you just want to plop it on and go, you absolutely can. Y'all see it has a little shine to it, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I think this is super cute. I think I did good. What do y'all think? But that is it. If you want to see how I achieve this cute, super cute, old-fashioned pinup style, then just keep watching.